So in previous classes, we discussed about carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. So now in today's class, we are going to start vitamins. Okay. So basically, vitamins are collected with two words. Okay. One is vital plus amines. Okay. Vital plus amines. Vital amines are essential for life. Okay. So these are the essential for our life. So basically, it's play an important role in our body. Carbohydrates will give energy. Protein also provide bodybuilding. Fat for energy and for soluble of vitamin. Okay, but vitamins are also are non micronutrients. Micronutrients. They are macro. They are micronutrients. Means in required in small amount in our body. Who vitamins. And vitamins are made up of with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. And we have the two types of vitamins. One is water soluble, another one is fat soluble. Okay. Water soluble means it dissolve in water. Okay. And fat soluble, they will dissolve in fat. So we need fat in our body to dissolve fat soluble vitamin. Okay. But they can't provide energy. Who vitamins they play important role to provide energy, but they directly doesn't involve in production of energy. This is the thing we have to remember. Okay, fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. Water soluble vitamins are like vitamin B complex, and we have vitamin C. B complex and vitamin C. So these are very important. In the B complex, we have different B1, okay, B2, B3, okay, B B6, B12, etc. We'll discuss everything one by one in detail, and we have vitamin C, B1, B2. I will write here B1, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. All these are vitamins. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one in detail. Okay, all these vitamins. Okay, vitamin A, D, E, K. These are fat soluble. Means we need fat. And the another thing is that in the fat soluble, it will be fat, stored in fat and liver. Okay, and second thing is it is very less quantity, excreted in less quantity, and these are the what fat soluble. Water soluble, they are not unable to store, not stored in large amount, and excreted from water or excreted from urine or kidneys, urinary bladder. Okay, there is disorder due to fat malabsorption. Okay, and if we take large amount, toxicity happen. If you take fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K, what happen if you take excess vitamin A? Toxicity will happen. Excess vitamin D, excess vitamin A, excess vitamin K. Okay, and fat malabsorption of if you take low amount, what will happen? Nutritional or delay energy will happen. Delay or delay growth or delay metabolism. All these things occur, and anemia. Like this type of diseases will occur, anemia, and it will call less toxicity. Means because they will excrete from the body, having rare chance of having toxicity in the body. So that's the reason water soluble having less amount of toxicity. Having, if you take excess amount of fat soluble, maybe you will get toxicity in the body. Okay, so these are the basis of uh, vitamins. Okay, yeah, it is discovered in 1912. One important thing I will tell here, important, that is Frank, who is a Polish chemist. Frank is the scientist who discovered the name and important vital amines in the body. Okay, so if you go in deep, we have different 15 different vitamins which are essential for our body. Okay, which is very, very important for our body. Micronutrients. Okay, all are available in natural food. All are available in natural food, which are very, very essential for specific. Some are essential for specific functions. Some are essential for diseases, specific diseases. Okay, so all are needed for our body to do their vital work, vital function. So this is about basic things related vitamin. So we'll discuss one by one. First is vitamin A. So vitamin A is water, sorry, fat soluble. So we'll talk uh, three to four things. One is functions, source, and recommended diary allows. If deficiency occurs, what will happen? These are the four things we will talk about the every vitamin. Okay. So basically, in the vision, function of vitamin A is in the vision. Vision in the vision, it will play very crucial role. What it play? Crucial role in the vision. It will play very crucial role because in the retina we have what have retinal rods and cones. Okay, we will call rhodopsin and idopsin. Okay, rhodopsin and iodopsin. What they do? They do. Uh, they are very important when a dim light is there. Okay, when is the dim light off, there is no visual is there. Okay, so they will function their work there. Okay, so for that purpose we need vitamin A to maintain those function. Okay, so we need this rhodopsin and iodopsin will call rods and cones very essential to see during dim light. So you will get if the person having vitamin A deficiency, they have very different decrease vision. Okay, during dim light. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the vision in dim light is poor. Okay, so because I need vitamin A, so the functioning of rod cells, so we need vitamin A. So this is the function first, and the second function is for growth. Okay, for growth, vitamin A we need like mainly growth of bones, growth of bones. We need vitamin A. Okay, so this is very important. And third important function is immunity. So immunity system are influenced by vitamin A. Okay. So vitamin A is required for normal health and functions of epithelial layers, which provide a first line of defense against microorganism. Okay. So if the epithelial cells and epithelial layer is very weak, what will happen? The organism maybe enter into our body. So vitamin A, what will do? It will maintain the function of epithelial layer, mostly in the respiratory system, uh, and uh, and our digestive system, urinary system. Okay, so these are the three important functions of vitamin A in the vision and in the growth of bones and in immunity. Other functions also is there like cell differentiation and gene expression. The likely involvement of vitamin A in the development of differentiation of immature bone cells into different types of mature cells is just one example of various forms of cell differentiation that depend upon the vitamins. So it means that whoever want to become mature, so what will happen? It will need the help of vitamin A. Okay, like in the skin, in the eye, in the lining of digestive system. Okay, they cell growth will happening day by day. Old layer will remove old cells are apoptosis from the body. Okay, and it will die according to their new cells will develop. So what will happen? The cell will become matured when the vitamin A will help. Okay, so if a vitamin A deficiency occurs, the sensitivity, the cells become very sensitive, like skin cells, trachea cells, okay, salivary gland cells, cornea, and testes. What will happen in vitamin A deficiency? Also, allergy symptoms will occur. Okay, uh, so you have to check the vitamin A in allergic conditions also. Okay, so these are the functions of vitamin A. Next source. What is the source of vitamin A? We'll discuss now. The source of vitamin A is in the animal food. Okay, in the animal food, like we have eggs, dairy products, and dark green leafy vegetables, in the green, yellow, orange vegetables is a source of vitamin A. Okay, and cauliflower leaves having will what we'll do, we'll throw it those cauliflower leaves, but cauliflower leaves having 1742 microgram in 100 gram of leaves. Carotenoid. That is what is the carotenoid? Okay, carotenoid. And we have food like sheep liver, poultry egg, egg yolk, buffalo milk, cow milk, paneer, chicken. Okay, and salmon, fish, tuna, salmon, tuna, fish. Okay, so these are the uh, source of vitamin A. If you go to the plant source like drumstick, okay, fenugreek leaves, gogo leaves, spinach, coriander leaves, mint leaves, okay, tomato ripe, hybrid, mango, carrot, orange, curry leaves. All these having high grade of vitamin A. So if you see large amount of vitamin A is present in mostly drumstick. Okay, in the drumstick, wow, very high level of carotene, beta carotene. In 100 grams, you will get 17542 microgram, very high. Then after that, you will get in curry leaves also. Curry leaves also having uh, very high vitamin A. Okay, so these are the source of vitamin A. Now the recommended daily amount. How much amount you need? In the man, for the man or woman, you need 1000 microgram. International microgram, okay, 100 mcg means 1 gram. 1 gram we need in daily. Women 840 micro units or international micro units. Okay, so these are the requirement. In the pregnant woman, 900 microgram. Lactating woman, 950 microgram. Infants from 0 to 6 months need 350 micrograms. 6 0 to 12 months. Children 1 to 3 years, 390 micrograms. 4 to 6 years, 510 micrograms. 7 to 9 years, 630 micrograms. Okay. For boys, 10 to 18 years, 700 to 1000 micrograms. Okay. For girls, 10 to 18 years, 700 to 900 micrograms. So these are the recommended daily allowance of retinol, and we have keratin also. I will send you the box of recommended and as well as content. Now, what are the diseases? So we know that vision is very important. Night blindness will affect. What is the first disease? You can see vitamin A deficiency occurs night blindness. Okay, already you discussed because of rhodopsin and other thing. Okay, and other diseases like corneal cirrhosis, keratomalacia, congenital cirrhosis. Okay, these are the eye diseases, night blindness, effect of growth, effect of reproduction also. Okay, and increase susceptibility to infection. So infection will also affect patient having common infections during vitamin A deficiency. Okay, so these are the very important things related vitamin A. What are the diseases? Okay, so we covered number of things related vitamin, detailed of vitamin, how many types of vitamin are there, and vitamin A, where we can store with fat soluble and water soluble, and excretion, fat metabolism, and toxicity. Everything we discussed, and who invented. Okay, and the functions of vitamin A, source of vitamin A, RDA, how much recommended daily allowance of vitamin A we discussed, and diseases which occurred during deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, so this is all about vitamin A and the basics of vitamins. We will discuss vitamin D, E, K, likewise every vitamin in detail. For any doubts, kindly ask.